Adequacy of the facilities. Are we having adequate facility? Adequate. Next, community involvement. How will this affect the community? Students, you can base it sa inyong significance of the study. Sino itong affected? The community. Okay? Do you put all the 10? Yes. All 10 should be present. Hindi description na pag nakita ko description, automatic 0. Kaya is social value is according to dictionary how to swim nila niya kung paano niya siya in-apply sa paper nyo. I would suggest, look ako sa dictionary na taon yung meaning sa social value and with that social value, paano niyo siya na-apply sa paper. Okay? Hindi ko pagkagaan definition of terms dahil 0 na yun. Then ready na deadline sa Friday? Wala ka mo choice. Ay wala na extension. Okay. Clear so far? Work on this. Every chance you get lesson. The deadline will be after the final exam. The final exam will be May 19 to 22. Most likely our deadline is May 25. Okay.
Miss Domingo, malinis ang may 25 miss.
Picture mo? Okay.